Hello everybody, welcome back to another exciting session with Risha ma'am. In today's class, I'm going to teach you 3-letter words. When should you start 3-letter words for your kids? Once the child has finished 4 years of age, once the child has learnt capital letters and small case letters, then it's time for you to start the 3-letter words. So before starting 3-letter words, when you are teaching them the small case and capital case letters, you have to teach them the phonic sounds of English alphabet A to Z. After that is over, you have to teach them the 2-letter words before getting into the 3-letter words. Here, let me show you the easiest way to teach 3-letter words for your kids. If you follow this method, I'm sure they will learn to read all the 3-letter words just in a week's time. So why can't you try it along with me? So for you to teach 3-letter words to your kids, I want you to make charts like this, for which you need only a chart paper and chisel markers like this. So you have to make short A blends A, E, I, O, U. So let me explain it with a short A sound. So we have to make a chart for the short A sound like this, with a short A blends in the first page and then all the 3-letter words associated with letter A, short A sound. Short A blends. Many a times you must have heard to teach them at words, am words, apt words. But today I am going to show you a new way where kids will learn reading 3-letter words very simply when compared to the CVC word concept. So I want you to write the consonants first, then the vowels like this for each and every alphabet. Ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, qua, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, sa, ya, za. Once the child is thorough with these short A blends, now we are supposed to introduce them to the 3-letter words like this. Da, d, dad. Ma, d, mad. Sa, d, sad. Ba, d, bad. Ha, d, had. Pa, d, pad. Bag, bag. Tag, tag. Rag, rag. Wag, wag. Nag, nag. Ram. Jam. Now, I want you to try teaching 3-letter words in this way, where you read the first 2 words together, then attaching a 3rd consonant. This is more faster than the traditional add, am, apt way of teaching 3-letter words to children. So I want you to make this chart, look at all the words. I will show you each and every single word. You can pause the video, make a chart of your own and try it with your kids and let me know if they have really learnt 3-letter words very quickly when compared to apt, am method of teaching them. Okay? Ja, jam. Pa, Pam. Ra, ram. Ca, cam. Pa, pan. Ba, ban. Ca, can. Fa, fan. Ma, man. Ra, ran. Ta, tan. Va, van. Sap, sap. Cap, cap. Gap, gap. Lap, lap. Map, map. Tap, tap. Pat, pat. Rat, rat. Cat, cat. Bat, bat, hat, hat, car, car, war, jar, fair, mat, mat, nap, nap, fat. So we are done with the 3-letter words of short A sound. Next we have short E vowel. Short E blends. So make a chart of short E as well. And the blends are here. Consonant vowel blends. Please observe here I have written first consonant then a vowel. As in B, E, B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, Y, V, W, X, Z. Make a chart of these blends first. Then come to the 3-letter words. Bed, bed, fed, fed, led, red, wed, beg, keg, leg, peg, den, hen, men. Turn back. Pen, ten, bet, get, jet, let, met, net, pet, set, vet, wet. Then yet, web, gem, hem, pep. So we are done with the short E 3-letter words as well. Next comes the vowel A, E, I. So let's see the I blends now. Make a chart of the I blends as well. So here we have short I blends. What is the phonic sound of letter I? It's E. 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 So the ending sound has to be E. As in B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Alright children, after you are thorough with the blending sounds of the consonant vowels, next we get into the 3-letter words of letter I. As in 3-letter words, B, D, bed, D, D, did, he, D, hid, ki, D, kid, li, D, lid, ri, D, rid, big, big, dig, fig, gig, pig, wig, dim, him, rim, bin, din, fin, pin, sin, tin, win, dip, hip, lip, nip, rip, tip, zip, bit, fit, sit, kit, pit, fix, six. So these are the 3-letter words with letter I as an vowel. So make a chart of short I words as well. Next comes A, E, I, O. So let's see the O 3-letter words now. Here are the letter O blends. As in, what is the phonic sound of letter O? It's A. A. As in, ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, qua, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, xa, ya, za. Let's check the three-letter words with these blends now. In this way, they will be able to blend words quickly and more easily when compared to teaching them with family words like obwords. Okay, so let's try. Cob, job, mob, dog, fog, log, jog, cop, hop, mop, pop, top, caught. Then we have dot, got, hot, not, pot, lot, box, fox, mom, rod. So make a chart of the OCBC words as well. Then we have A, E, I, O and U. So let's see the U blends and U three-letter words now. Here are the short U blends. What is the phonic sound of letter U? It's A, A, A. As in ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, qua, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, xa, ya, z. So the ending sound of all the English consonant has to be a. Now let's see some examples. K, b, k, h, b, hub, r, b, rub, t, b, tub, b, d, bird, m, d, mud, bug, rug, hug, jug, mug, mum. Then we have bun, fun, gun, run, sun, butt, cut, hut, nut, cup, pup, bus. Okay. So make a chart of the short U three-letter words as well. It is very important for you to prepare this type of charts for them to learn easily and quickly. Repeat it as many times as possible till the time they learn the phonic sounds and blending the words together. It will be very easy for kids to learn three-letter words this way. For those who are interested in enrolling to our phonics and online preschool classes, I have given the details here on the screen. You can get in touch with us. I'll see you again in the next video, children. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Risha Ma'am Online Preschool. Take care. Bye.